In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the dividend rate of a stock in Google Sheets, along with several other useful dividend metrics. Whether you're building a dividend tracker, analyzing long-term income potential, or you simply want a quick way to check payout information for any company, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Google Sheets file and make sure you're logged into your Google account. Once you're there, go to the top menu and click on Extensions. You'll need to have the Ticker Data add-on installed because that's what allows Google Sheets to automatically pull dividend metrics. If you don't see it listed, just install it from the Extensions Marketplace and refresh your sheets so everything loads properly. Next, click on Extensions again and select Ticker Data. You'll notice a few options, including Login and Refresh. Make sure you're logged in first. After that, you can refresh all your metrics anytime you want updated information. This is super helpful if you're tracking multiple stocks and want your spreadsheet to stay current without doing anything manually. Once your add-on is ready, go to the cell where you want your dividend rate to appear. Type the ticker data function. Inside the function, enter your stock symbol, followed by the metric you want. For example, if you're checking Coca-Cola, you can enter the co-ticker symbol, add a comma, and choose the metric named dividend. If you want historical dividend data, you can even add a third value the year. So you could type 2015, 2010, or even 2005, and Google Sheets will automatically load the correct dividend for that year. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your ticker symbol is typed correctly, ensure your ticker data account is active, and refresh your sheet after making changes. Doing this beforehand saves time and prevents missing data or error messages. Once you've entered the function and hit enter, Google Sheets will automatically pull in the dividend rate. From here, you can repeat the process for any company you want. It's also a good idea to refresh your entire sheet once in a while to make sure all your stock metrics stay up to date. This keeps your dividend tracker accurate and reliable. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to pull dividend rates and tons of other metrics into Google Sheets easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be building their own dividend spreadsheets. Why not make someone's day easier?